at Marsh here on manufacturing, marketing, and industrial sales. Today I want to talk about the role of independent directors on the board of directors. This is a topic I spend thinking about as a directorship certified member of the National Association of Corporate Directors and also as a member of the Private Directors Association. The board of directors and/or advisors for most privately held industrial manufacturing companies are familiar with the core business of making stuff. They're usually founder, family, owner, engineering, and finance skills on the boards. Often, however, not only are independent directors missing, but companies don't really use a skills matrix to effectively identify the gaps in the contemporary professional experience on the board. Now, of course, the board's role is nose in and fingers out, as the saying goes. So the board doesn't need that talent as an inside consultant or coaching role. However, the board's role is oversight and management of the CEO. So there needs to be enough savvy among the board to evaluate and guide the CEO across critical business functions. In industrial manufacturing, that means production, finance, HR, marketing, and sales. And the last two are typically missing. Recently reading the Private Company Board of Director book by Elizabeth Hammock, I was really struck that in chapter 10, when she discusses desirable director types, she mentioned the marketer, but doesn't even touch on sales. And yet both manufacturing, marketing, and industrial sales have changed so much since any current senior executive was actually in the trenches, if any of them actually came up through the business that way, that it's radically different today. That means there's frequently a vacuum of knowledge. The board doesn't know what it doesn't know about sales and marketing, yet they're setting strategy and evaluating and guiding the CEO, who doesn't know what he or she doesn't know about sales and marketing. The CEO is managing sales and marketing leaders who often come from within the company with a very product-centric and traditional approach and don't know what they don't know about manufacturing, marketing, and industrial sales. And, of course, those VPs and managers are responsible for individual contributors who often don't know what they don't know about sales and marketing in the industrial manufacturing world. Worse, in many cases, what all levels of those folks think they know about the topics is fundamentally outdated and wrong. So the boards of privately held industrial manufacturing companies should certainly have talent management, AI, cybersecurity, and international experience, and they must have marketing and sales experience, ideally with domain familiarity, but deep sales and marketing experience from various industries to bring diversity of perspective. Stop overlooking sales. It's a critical business function that doesn't just happen by itself. It needs to be on your board. And that's why I've created the Board of Directors Business Growth, Revenue Growth Bootcamp. I'll drop the link below in case you're interested.